Hi guys, today I'm going to be making some quick, easy chicken and dumpling. It's really quick, it's easy, and it's cheap. So we're going to get the chicken to boil in here. We're going to add some of this chicken bouillon. I'll put about 2 teaspoons. Two teaspoons of that. Put a little salt. I'm gonna put some garlic powder. That's really quick and cheap. That's the part I like. Don't cost that much to make. Especially if I would make it with drumstick, but they want chicken thighs. Chicken breasts. I would have made it with chicken drumsticks, but you can make it either or. Okay. You can add what kind of seasoning you like. This is what I add. I add some more after the chicken cook a little bit more and everything. I'm gonna put a little bit of paprika in there, just a little. Okay, here go the chicken. I might add a little bit of seasoning while it's in the bowl. Swirl it around a little bit. So make sure you got enough. Okay, I added a little bit extra seasoning, and we just drop the chicken in here to boil. So that's how the chicken looks. I have 4 pieces. I took some of the fat off. Just drop it in there. And let it boil probably for about, probably take about 30 minutes. Turn it down a little so it won't boil over, and I'll be back. So now I'm gonna take the chicken out so I can shred it. This is the chicken. Look like it's done. I don't know, don't look like. I think I'm gonna let it cook about 10 more minutes. Yeah, we're gonna let it cook for about 10 more minutes. Then it should be done. Be back. Hey, the chicken should be done. Get it. Look. Put it in here. Does it taste like it needs some more seasoning?
You know I can't. You're asking the wrong person.
That's my chicken.
I don't work tomorrow.
Okay, we're going to add some cream of chicken. You don't have to add this if you don't want to, but we're going to add this. Stir it up. I'm going to add a little more seasoning to it. Some pepper. Garlic powder. Oops. A little salt. We're gonna let that cook, and we're gonna cover it back up. And then we're gonna get ready for the biscuits and everything. Be back. Okay, now we're gonna get the biscuits ready. This is a biscuit. You use any kind of biscuit. Yeah. Or you can use the little ones. Just put a little flour so we can get the juice thick. And the biscuits. Ooh. Man. Okay, we get the biscuit. And you just break them apart. If you don't use the little ones, just break it apart like that. Sarah, shut the door! And then, yeah, I think I do is just break them apart like that. Okay, then we'll just get it out of the flour. I have a roller. I have to buy me a roller. Just spread them out. Just cut them into little pieces like that. Put them in your bowl. Like that. Or you could just break them with your hand and put them in there. That's what I'm gonna do with the rest. I just wanted to show you a different way you can do them. Just break them and put them in there like this. Or you can do like I did with the roller. Then, and here go the chicken shredded up. And just drop it in there. Stir it around. Put some more little seasoning. Put some jalapeno in there. Since I don't have no crushed pepper, I'm gonna add a little bit of these peppers seeds because that's what make it hot. The pepper seeds. Because I don't have no piece of pepper. Then I'm gonna put some bell pepper. Stir it up. Then I'll be back when I get ready to add the biscuits. Be back in a minute. Okay, now I'm gonna add the biscuits.
Chocolate chip cookies.
This is the biscuits.
Like that? Yes? You don't want.
Not really, but I'm gonna eat it. What kind of chicken is it? It's not one on the bone.
Chicken breast, no.
Okay.
Mom wanted the one.
Yeah, I like the, y'all know I don't like white meat. The biscuits. You can make some biscuits with it in the oven or some cornbread. Turned it down a little. I'll sprinkle a little black pepper on it. That's it, chicken and dumpling. Really quick and easy and cheap. I haven't made this in years. It's been a long time. It's been a long time since I made this. Hey guys, bye.